Friday, it's Friday. Y'all, I'm so excited that it's Friday. Let me scoot y'all back a little. I had me some coffee. We in this thing, y'all. It's Friday. I'm so glad it's Friday. And I'm only working half a day today. And that's on period. And my husband off today. Hopefully we can get into some things once I get off. I'm gonna get off at like my lunchtime, so 12:30, and I have the rest of the day to do some stuff. I just wanted to come in and say hey and start this vlog. I'm currently sitting here. I have my MacBook right here and my work computer right here. You know, got me a little setup. Hopefully work should be chill for these next couple of hours. Like I said, it's Friday, so hopefully, ignore that needs some jail. So hopefully this Friday is a chill Friday.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar.
Husband got us walking way across the world in DC to get to this restaurant. Part way right there.
So did.
The restaurant way over here. Base.
Come on.
Damn, baby. I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart.
Okay, y'all. So back in the car. It's kind of toasty in this guy. I don't want it to be too loud though. So, we just left Tacos and Tequilas. I know I told y'all earlier that we were gonna get out and do something, but girl, it's 8:22. I don't know what happened, but things didn't go how we expected them to go. So, we've been to Tacos and Tequilas before, but we went like right after they opened, so it wasn't like busy at all. But when we went today, they had a whole little vibe going on in there, but it was like so loud in there with people talking that we couldn't even hear the music, and I wasn't messing with it at all. I enjoyed the food and my drinks, but the atmosphere was too much for me. It was too much.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago.
So it's like a pyramid. So we about to play cup pong. But with this one, there's gonna be some challenges up under each one. And so whichever one you throw over here, you have to do what it says. So whichever one it lands in. So we're gonna go one at a time. And whichever one it lands in, you gotta do what it says. I don't know how many it's supposed to be. It's 10, so I feel like it's supposed to be 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, y'all, I just got up last night. I don't know. I passed out last night after me and my husband played our game. No. I'm looking for my glasses currently. I know I went to sleep with them on because my husband was recording me while I was asleep. I had my glasses on in the video. They could literally be anywhere. Like, I'm wondering if I should go put my contacts in, because trying to look for my glasses when I can't see is like a no-no. I literally just found them right here on the floor. I didn't even have to put on my contacts to see. Yo, I'm so hot. I just finished my workout and do y'all see that? We don't like that. We don't like that at all. But excuse my sweatiness. I just finished my workout and I'm about to take these little ponytails out of my hair. I really wish I would have been able to wear this style. Like, I tried to make a TikTok doing it, but it was just a whole lot of things going wrong, and like I tried to redo them. The first time I did them, I didn't put like all the time and effort that I needed to into them, so they were looking a little raggedy. So I redid them so that it would look tight. But girl, I did them too tight, and my edges been pulled for the past couple of days. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out today. Me and my husband are going hiking again tomorrow, so I'ma just probably pull my hair up into a puff. But ooh, these little ponytails gotta come out today.
How the story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo, who my niggas don't want. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, I want some of your brown sugar, show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.
We just pulled up to Cochran Mill Park. This is located in Chattahoochee Hills, Georgia. It's about 30 minutes from us. We're about to get out and go explore. They have a waterfall here, so we're gonna hike up. I think we have to hike to that one. A couple of weeks ago, we went to Roswell Mill. We didn't necessarily have to hike to see that waterfall, but I think we gotta hike to see this one. So I'm excited. We're about to get out the car and get this thing started.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make go room room. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in a butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lamb, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sitting mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my dad in the wind, I fucked at the wind. My dog just caught another body, now he's popping Xannies again. Caught his ass slipping at the cul-de-sac. Sliding on the Oscar and toe tag. Just in Miami, I was chillin' with a Zozak. In the Rolls Royce, I don't need a low jack. Keep the 45, I had to hold it. Gotta ride with it, cause I'm chosen. I just pulled up, won't let me land. Playing dice with mustard, bet it on the photo team. I remember wondering what I'm gonna eat. Pull up that Bentley with no key. I've been on top for a while. Last I chip it to the moon. Fast car make one room. Niggas just boom, boom, boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared.